Myself Aditi here and welcome to my YouTube channel Anahat Art. In this short video, I'm going to share with you all how to knead shadu mati for handmade Ganesha. First take dry clay and add ample amount of water in this clay. This eco-friendly clay called shadu mati is easily available in the market. You can buy this online also. If you observe this video carefully, you will understand it's not very difficult process. It's a very easy process. You have to knead this clay exactly how you make chapati ka atta. This clay is easily water soluble, so you can take it off at any point of time from the surface. So, how you will understand you have achieved a good dough. Yes, this is the sign of the good dough, which is not sticking to any surface, not even to your skin.